Hello! We'll learn in this video how to program a new voice in Yamaha Expansion Manager using more than one element. In a previous video, we programmed the qanun sound using one element. In this video, we'll continue programming this qanun to enhance it by adding a second element. The way we play the qanun is very complex and contains a lot of articulations. We'll program a tremolo in element 2. The same way I programmed the qanun note with the normal way to play, I also recorded the tremolo ones. As usual, I organized this group of waves in a specific folder using clear names. One important thing, qanun tremolo sound is a continuous sound, which means, in theory, as long as we hold the key, as long as we hear the tremolo. To get this result in Yamaha Expansion Manager, and then on the keyboard, we have to edit all the tremolo waves and turn it into looped waves. And that's possible using any sound editing software. For example, without loop point, or with loop point. We select element 2 and program it using the wave tremolo group. For more details, we can mute the normal qanun in element 1 by clicking here. We start programming the way it was explained in the first part. After finishing editing qanun tremolo in element 2, we unmute element 1 and try. Here we're listening at the same time to element 1 and 2, meaning the normal and tremolo qanun. This could be the wanted result in another situation. But in this example, we want to control one of the voice depending on how hard we play. If we play softly, we hear a normal qanun. If we play stronger, we hear a tremolo qanun. This is how we determine the strength value. We select element 1, then all the key using Ctrl-A or Command-A. We determine the velocity that will give us a regular qanun sound, for example, from 1 to 105 on a scale that varies from 0 to 127, meaning if we play softly with a velocity of 1 to 105 on a key, we'll hear element 1, a normal qanun. We select element 2. We go through the same steps, but this time we determine the velocity value from 106 to 127, which is the highest velocity while playing on a key. If we play softly, we hear a regular qanun. If we play hard, we'll hear a tremolo qanun. To try this voice and especially control the velocity, it's better to use an external keyboard connected to the computer and so to Yamaha Expansion Manager. If you don't have one, there is a way in Yamaha Expansion Manager that allows us to simulate the way we play on a keyboard, and it's by using the keyboard on Yamaha Expansion Manager and to click on the keys using the mouse. For example, soft playing, hard playing. In this example, we only program 2 elements, but we can program up to 8 for one voice and determine for each element its velocity or all its parameters. For example, volume, panoramic, etc. One interesting feature, it's possible to copy one element to another this way. For example, I copy element 1 into element 3. and change the panoramic to right by 10 in element 3 and to left by 10 in element 1. When we're done programming and editing, we save the voice, we load it on the keyboard, and we try. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial video.